Cardinal Heating and Air Conditioning beyond our expectations. In every aspect of everything they've done. We recently had our boiler replaced, the whole system replaced with a high-tech, modern, just a beautiful machine. How about that? And came in, we got an estimate. 3 weeks later, we had a crew here, all wearing booties and putting down protection, and basically left everything cleaner than when they got here. We're never doubtful that someone wouldn't show up. We got a schedule right away. During that kind of a problem, usually it's colder weather, usually techs are very busy, but we always got timely service. We're part of the Cardinal Customer Care Club, which is going to save us money. They'll call us when they're going to come out. We don't need to worry about scheduling, if they're available, or who we're going to call. You know you're going to get honest, reliable, professional people. My advice to anyone who needs their air conditioning, heating system, plumbing, or electrical, call Cardinal Air Conditioning, Heating and Air Conditioning first. They'll be the benchmark to measure any other estimates you're going to get.